Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Rechargeable Handheld Milk Frother is a specialized kitchen tool designed to bridge the gap between a standard home kitchen and a professional coffee shop experience. At its core, this device is a compact, motorized whisk that focuses on the aeration of liquids, primarily milk, to create the light and airy foam typically found on top of lattes and cappuccinos. While traditional methods of frothing often required expensive espresso machines with built-in steam wands, this handheld alternative provides a much more accessible entry point for the average consumer. One of the defining characteristics of this specific model is the move away from traditional disposable batteries. Historically, handheld mixers of this size relied on AA or AAA batteries which would frequently lose power after just a few uses, leading to a frustrating decline in performance and a constant need for replacements. By integrating a fast-charging USB-C system, the device aligns itself with modern electronic standards, allowing users to recharge the internal battery using the same cables they likely already use for their smartphones or tablets. This change not only reduces the long-term cost of ownership but also ensures that the motor operates at its full potential every time it is turned on. At a price point of approximately $10, it is positioned as a functional and budget-friendly accessory for anyone looking to elevate their daily beverage routine. Regarding the build and design, the frother features a minimalist aesthetic with a clean white plastic body that is shaped to be ergonomic and easy to hold. The cylindrical handle is slim enough to fit comfortably in various hand sizes, which is important for maintaining control when whisking at high speeds. Protruding from the top of the handle is a long, thin stem made of food-grade stainless steel, ending in a tightly coiled circular whisk. Stainless steel is a deliberate choice for the mixing component because it is non-reactive, resistant to rust, and can withstand both hot and cold temperatures without warping. The placement of the charging port is typically at the base or the side of the handle, keeping it out of the way during use while remaining easily accessible for a quick top-up. The weight distribution of the device is centered in the handle where the motor and battery are located, which provides a sense of stability during operation. Because there is no bulky battery compartment with a removable door, the exterior remains smooth and streamlined, making it easier to wipe down if any splashes occur. The interface is usually limited to a single button or a small toggle that cycles through the different settings, keeping the operation simple and intuitive for all users. The performance of the frother is defined by its 3-speed motor, which is a significant upgrade over older single-speed models. Having 3 distinct settings matters because different liquids and different desired results require different levels of force. The low-speed setting is ideal for gentle mixing tasks where the goal is simply to incorporate a powder into a liquid without creating a large amount of foam or causing the liquid to splash out of the container. This is particularly useful for protein shakes, collagen powders, or stirring chocolate syrup into milk. The medium speed provides a bit more power and is often the preferred setting for preparing matcha tea, where the whisk needs to break up fine clumps of green tea powder to create a smooth, consistent texture. The high-speed setting is designed specifically for frothing milk. At this level, the motor rotates the whisk at high revolutions per minute, drawing air into the liquid to create a dense, stable foam. This is effective for both dairy milk and various plant-based alternatives like oat or almond milk, although the results can vary depending on the fat and protein content of the liquid. The ability to switch between these speeds allows the user to start slow and gradually increase the power, which helps prevent messes. Furthermore, the consistency of the power delivery from the rechargeable battery means that the whisking action remains steady throughout the process, leading to a more uniform foam. Cleaning is also a part of the performance cycle, and the design allows for a very simple process where the whisk is simply dipped into warm soapy water and turned on for a few seconds to clear away any residue. This device is best suited for a few specific types of users. First and foremost, it is an excellent tool for the home barista who wants to experiment with specialty coffee drinks without the high cost and steep learning curve of professional equipment. It appeals to people who appreciate the ritual of making a morning drink and want a bit of extra texture in their coffee. Beyond coffee drinkers, it is also highly practical for individuals who regularly consume powdered supplements. Whether it is a pre-workout mix, a green juice powder, or a meal replacement shake, this frother can blend those ingredients much more effectively than a standard spoon, resulting in a better tasting and more professional feeling drink. It is also a great fit for people living in small spaces, such as studio apartments or college dormitories, where there is no room for a large blender or a full-sized espresso machine. Because it is portable and rechargeable, it can even be used by travelers or office workers who want to maintain their beverage preferences while away from home. Finally, given the price of around $10, it serves as a thoughtful and inexpensive gift for friends or family members who enjoy kitchen gadgets or who have recently started exploring the world of home-brewed lattes and frappes. In a balanced assessment, the rechargeable handheld milk frother represents a significant improvement over the battery-operated models of the past. The transition to USB-C charging is the most notable benefit, offering both environmental and financial advantages by eliminating the need for disposable batteries. While the plastic construction is lightweight and reflects the affordable price point, the stainless steel whisk ensures that the parts actually touching the food are durable and hygienic. It is important to remember that this is a small, handheld tool meant for individual servings and light mixing tasks. It is not a replacement for a heavy-duty blender or a professional-grade steam wand. However, for the specific task of frothing milk or mixing powders in a glass, it performs reliably and offers a level of convenience that is hard to beat for roughly $10. It provides a simple, effective way to add a bit of luxury to everyday drinks, making it a practical addition to most modern kitchens. The combination of 3 speeds and a rechargeable power source makes it a versatile tool that handles a variety of liquids with ease, providing a consistent and user-friendly experience for anyone looking to improve their home beverage game. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!